Welcome back, curl friends. Today I'm going to show you how to lay edges for an all-day hold using gel and some edge control. We're starting off on completely clean hair, and we want to go ahead and just pull out our natural baby hairs using a soft bristle toothbrush. Use a little mist of water to allow the product to have something to stick to, and pull out as little or as much as you prefer. For natural hair, we're looking for two things: moisture and hold. And obviously edge control has an oil base, so it's basically like a sealant. It's going to seal in that water or moisture. It has a no flake formula, which ends up turning greasy within a few minutes or so from body heat as well as humidity. So we're going to use the edge control to prep and the gel to set. We're going to start off with the edge control and then set it with the gel, and this seems to hold my edges in place the entire day. You guys, definitely give it a try. It will have your edges laid for the whole day. It will not budge. And that's pretty much it. This hack is really simple and keeps your forehead from turning into a grease ball from oil-based edge controls. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one.